Hello. So what I should be doing is painting, sanding and weathering this, but I've had more than enough painting for a while, so it's time to work on the LEDs. So for that, Pringles lid, some LEDs, 5V USB, battery pack, they work, surprisingly considering they're from eBay, and some wire and a soldering iron. Right, first things first, how much of this plastic do I need? More than I have. I'm going to check the recycle bin. Okay, so there was none in the recycle bin, so I had to take it off of our actual pot of Pringles, which means I'm going to have to eat all those later, unfortunately. Alright, let's take off this outer ring. See there? It's got markings on the inside and I don't really want those on the mask. Looks like I should have enough. Just on the inside, let's cut it and see where we're at. Might actually leave that bit. Still see through it. I'd like not to have an eye hole. No, not at all. Gonna need an eye hole too. Okay. Now when it lights up, yeah. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm just going to double-sided sticky tape it in. Will be pressed up against, but that's going to require glue and possibly some heat to mould it into shape. But proof of concept phase, what I'll do. Let's have a look what these LEDs look like. So I think going to put the LEDs on the top and then hope it lights it up enough. That looks awful. I didn't realise that was going to shine up through the mask and show the red through the paint. conundrum. So maybe if they were shining straight down it would look a bit better. Let's just go for it. Okay, so next thing I wanted to test, do my magnets. Handle 5 volts properly. Should do. So to explain my idea, what I'll be doing is sinking 2 magnets into the top of my set, and then the LEDs will be wired to the magnets, one side positive, one side negative. And then on the base of the helmet here there'll be 2 corresponding magnets that has power going to them, and when you connect the mask, lights up. Pull off the mask, no lights. That's the general idea of it. But I need to cut a USB lead to test this before I ruin my light strip. Tons of USB all in the house. I'll go and get some. Okay, so I know that 2 of them are data lines, one's positive, one's negative, but I don't know off the top of my head which is which. Not annoying. Keep that. I'm sure it'll come in handy. Right, okay, so according to this, that's shield, obviously. So black is the ground, red is the 5 volt. So I need the black and red, which corresponds with the black and red cable aboard. So let's test this without electrocuting myself. Nah, it's only 5 volt. We will be okay. So first things first. Better off these wires. Okay, I really don't want to blow up the power bank because it's not mine. Right, so far so good. Hey, worked. Right, we're good. Nothing smells like burning. Even better. Okay, so in that case, let's work. Magnets. Huh. The magnet just broke. Just by letting them slam together too hard. That's interesting to know. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. I knew they would, but it's worth testing. Are 3mm, and my print is pretty much 3mm, which is bad planning on my part. Let's try and drill into this without breaking it. Okay, change of plan. I've just realised when you're slotting this helmet on, you can't go from the top down because it doesn't work. You have to slide in. So I'm going to put the magnets right here, which there is a little bit of room anyway, but not enough, so I will have to drill 2 holes, and also I broke it. Okay, so the magnets are What if I only use one magnet and then use a metal plate? Right, I think I know what I'm going to do. On this inside plate, I'm just going to cut this little bit of kind of strong metal. I'm going to place that there on the corner, and then I can paint it black. No one will know. And then on the inside here, I'm just going to glue the magnet, and then it should work. Magnets on the inside, metal there, slots in and attaches both sides. Yep. Not perfectly, but hopefully enough to make a connection, which is probably what I should test. Okay, proper camera died, so let's see what happens. Yeah! It's exactly what I wanted. Look at that. Yeah! Nice. Here we go. Crunch time. Yeah. Can't see a thing, but I'll deal with that later. So the way I done that was USB extender down the jumper, and that way you can attach yourself. And when you want to plug it in, you just do that. Pop it on. Yeah. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug that in here and attach it to my power supply, so every time I come in it lights up. Just for now.